installing some Lasfit all-weather floor mats. So I want to give a shout out to Lasfit for sending me out these floor mats and the installation is going to be on my 2026 Toyota RAV4 XSE PHEV. So Lasfit uses 100% TPE, eco-friendly, non-toxic, recyclable. They are extreme temperature resistant, very pet friendly, easy cleaning, and slip resistant. So being all-weather floor mats, they are definitely going to help with snow, mud, dirt, ice, water, whatever. So if it gets in there, you just wipe it off, take the mats out, wash it off. Very easy, so it's not going to get on the carpet underneath. Alright, so I already have the OEM Toyota all-weather floor mats installed in my vehicle from before. So one thing that I noticed with the OEM mats, they actually don't have full coverage. So as you see on the left, I push it to your left, and there's a small gap on the right. So if you push it right, there is a small gap on the left, and little gap on the bottom too, doesn't cover all the carpet there. And the material actually seems a little thinner and not as rubbery as the last generation, which I had, and it kind of slides around a little bit from the carpet underneath. So not as impressed from last generation's version. Here's the driver's side floor mat. And this does seem a little bit more rubberized than the cargo mat for some reason. And the rear passenger floor mat. Just want to show you guys the Toyota OEM ones first before I install the Lasfit ones. Show you guys the difference. Alright, here's a little side-by-side comparison of the floor mats right next to each other. And it looks like the lip is more generous on the Lasfit liners. Goes up higher. And they look a little thicker too. And there's a little extra lip on the Lasfit liner that goes under the seat. Alright, so here's the cargo mat with the seat back protectors installed. As you can see, it's got a nice lip around the edge, and it's pretty high for a cargo liner. So seat back protectors, size a little bit higher over here, but I think it's from being bent from maybe in the package in the box. Maybe we'll put something heavy on there for a little bit for Florida heat. But I flatten it out a little more. Goes all the way up to the edge, so it's got nice protection there. And the seat back protectors actually go higher than the OEM ones. So it's just a little bit more coverage than the OEM all-weather floor mats. And they feel a little bit thicker too, a little bit more. Alright, rear passenger floor mats installed here, all one piece. Very generous slip around. You can track any ice, mud, dirt, whatever. It's not going to spill into the carpet. Driver floor mat next. Alright, one thing cool about these mats, they got these covers for the retention clip area. Alright, so it fits through, and then you lock it in place, turning it clockwise, and you put the covers back on. Snap right in. There's a nice raised edge on the side. It's got good pedal clearance. And nice rubberized texture all around there, so your feet don't slip. And there's a lip that goes under the seat, and the raised edge on the left. Last but not least, the front passenger side floor mat. Alright, so front passenger side installed. Again, generous edge all around, full coverage, and a lip that goes under the seat also. I think if you got the OEM set from Toyota, I think everything all together is around $340 MSRP, so I think this is a better buy, and I actually do think they're better quality overall than the OEM mats. They seem to have better overall coverage. Material seems a little higher quality, a little thicker, and a little bit more grip. So overall, I would definitely recommend these floor mats.